Nah. Thank you, though. Boy, is that shiny.
The sun coming out too.
Oh, good. Yeah, blue sky. So the lock does work, and then you just go up to release it. Here, I'll pull down for you.
Yeah, that's the only thing.
Yep.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah. Well, it's better to be tight than too loose. Great. Fun. Here it is in all its glory.
All ready for camping.
Great.
Nice breeze.
Yeah. Alright, sounds good.
Yeah. Back around here.
Yeah, thanks.
Take it out in the country here.
Alright. Yeah.
A lot of smiles.
Yes, easy to make friends in one of these.
Yes. Go up here and be able to, I think I have to go down this one straight and around to get with the traffic. But it's sunny side here.
Sounds promising.
Yeah, this is
Oh wow.
yeah,
Very nice neighborhood. 2 liters, a big improvement.
yeah. That's like I said, that guy came around now. Let me see the big engine.
Great.
How's this right here?
Perfect. Thank you.